Welcome to another episode of Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. Hiro-san, how are you?
Hey, very good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon to you. We are experiencing some cold weather still, so I know you have a very special dish to kind of warm up people. And it's very simple for Fast Friday, Hiro.
Yeah.
Okay, tell us what we're doing today.
Okay, today we are going to make we call it Zosui. So you can call Japanese maybe risotto. It's most close to explanation in English. So here's some ingredients. I'm going to use some of the stone crab, and here's a leftover from the king crab legs. So I'm going to use this one. But this dish you can use the shrimp, any type of the seafood, the clams, mussels, shrimp, fishes, everything's okay. Even the chicken.
Okay.
So today we are going to make this one. With the today I'm going to use this regular mushroom, baby portobello mushroom instead of the shiitake mushroom, and scallion, onion, carrots. And then here is I made the ichiban dashi. So ichiban dashi, how to make ichiban dashi, we have done before. I'm going to use this one. And then here's a mirin. And this one, here we have it looks like a regular soy sauce, but actually this is a light color soy sauce. We call it usukuchi shoyu. And here is a dashikobu, the seaweed and the kelp. And here's a sea salt. And then I'm going to use the egg. And here's the Japanese short grain rice and the steamed rice. So this is all ingredients today.
Okay, now let me ask you, this rice here, can it be the rice from the night before?
Night before is fine.
Okay.
Basically, this dish is, if at the home, actually, you can use any leftover.
Any leftover rice will be fine. Now what about just uncooked rice?
Uncooked rice is not so good for this dish.
Okay, so it should be cooked already.
Yeah, you must cook rice. Even you don't need to be Japanese short grain rice. You can try another type of the rice.
Yeah, just long grain or whatever. Okay.
So first step, I'm gonna take out meats out from the shell, king crab and stone crab. This is like almost the body, some legs. Just cutting to the. Many meats. Next one is stone crab. Here's a king crab meats and the stone crab meats. Okay, so now we are going to everything put it together in here. First, I'm gonna put the ichiban dashi and dashikobu here. Okay, and start to heat it up. We're gonna first add the carrots, onion, and the mushroom, get the meeting. Risotto soy sauce. Salt. And then I want to add the crab meat. Okay, and then some of the stone crab meat also. Then I'm gonna quickly check in the flavor. Good. Then I just gonna make ready for the egg. This. I'm gonna add to the rice now. Okay, now I'm gonna add to the egg. Add the scallion, and then this is another type of the cilantro. I'm gonna put on top, and I'm gonna cut off the heat, and then close it up.
Okay, now you're gonna let it boil for a little while.
3, yeah. Wow.
You let it sit.
Yeah, that's it. Then usually you're gonna bring to the customer table.
Yeah.
Go like that. So this is ready.
Okay. Oh, that's quick, Hiro. Like you said, very quick.
Yeah, very quick. Yeah, preparation seems to add too many things, but cooking time is very close.
And if you guys don't like crab, again, shrimp. So simple.
This is a final product.
Yeah.
Like that.
And they could have chicken, right? Chicken,
chicken
or
is
beef.
good.
Well, beef maybe not
beef
a
could
good
be
choice.
not so, but you can try it.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can try it.
And the beef stew. That's great, Hiro. Like a one pot.
Like that.
Okay.
So this is the final product.
Nice,
Yeah.
nice. Looks really good. Thank you so much,
Yeah,
Hiro.
thank you very much.
Guys,
That's,
can try this at home.
Zosui, Japanese
Zosui.
risotto.
Yes.
Thank
If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. We hope to see you again soon.
Thank you.
Thanks for joining us. Well, I can't wait to try this dish. I'm a little bit sick, under the weather.
Tasty.
This would be just great for me. Okay, Hiro-san.
Okay.
Wow, take a look, guys. This is some great cooking if you're in a cold weather part of the country.
Okay.
Looks so healthy. Now, if at home they can't make the ichiban dashi, can they just use like chicken broth?
Well, yeah, chicken broth. Yeah, you can try it with the chicken broth. Yes.
Right? Similar,
Yes.
right?
Now it's go like that.
So try chicken broth. Okay.
Right, and then you can add the little fresh onion on the top, just like this. It's very hot. This is our king crab patch.
Hot.
You know, crab, the juice.
The
coming
crab is
out
so
of
good, huh?
all the juices, you know.
Wow, imagine the flavor.
Crab juice. So good.
I'm going to give this a try. Even though I probably can't taste anything today. I'm just a little bit sick. But it looks so good. Hopefully this will get me back on track. Wow, the seafood
Like
flavor
a
is
congee,
great.
you know. Congee is more like a grain is more like a how they call watery, right?
It could be thick too.
Zosui is more like you still you can see the grains.
Yeah. Let me tell you what. I thought that I couldn't taste anything. Wow, this seafood's amazing. It's a little bit sweet from the seafood, from the crab, but delicious. Obviously, you guys can try with other foods, but if you can get crab, wow, amazing. It's also good here.
Lobster will good. Regular fish.
Lots of flavor.
Other fish is okay too.
Really, really good. All right, thanks for sticking around. See you guys soon. Thank you. All right, it is Fast Friday, and thanks for sticking around. We are going to pick the winner for the knife giveaway, Hiro. All right, are you guys ready? So what we have here is we have basically a random comment selector. You copy and paste the link, which is right there, and we're going to go load comments. Now, we're going to pick 3 names. The first person who comes back to us, well, the first person who gets picked, that's your knife, but you have to write back to us and let us know that you won the knife. And if you don't, we'll give you 1 week. If you don't respond, then we'll wait for the other 2 people. Okay, so I guess if you're one of the 3, just respond. And that's how it's going to work. There's a total of 1,542 unique followers found. We're going to be randomly picking the winner. All right, so this is for you, the first one. And you could be anywhere in the world. We'll ship it to you. Right, Hiro?
Yes. International.
International, right? Okay, very good. All right, Hiro, you tell me when to push.
1, 2, 3, go.
Okay. Oh, man. Killer tuna. This is so accurate. You got to write, I want the knife. Okay, that doesn't count. We got to go again, right, Hiro? Okay, go ahead, Hiro.
1, 2, 3, go.
All right, Charles Vincent, you are the winner of this knife. Now we're gonna pick 2 more people. Charles, make sure you send us a comment or contact us by email, and we'll get your shipping address. Let's pick 1 more in case Charles doesn't respond. We'll pick 2 more. Ready?
Okay, let's go.
All right, go. And the next one is Bracco. Looks amazing. I bet you could make anything look great. Thanks, Bracco. You may have left a comment with I want the knife, but not this time. Okay, let's try again, Hiro. Go ahead. 1, 2, and
3.
All right. Alan Alvarado, you are the runner-up. So in case the first one doesn't claim it, you get it, and let's go for 1 more person just in case. Okay, Hiro?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go.
All right. All right, Wilson Goon, you are the 3rd one. Actually, if they all 3 respond, we'll send something out to each and every one. Okay. But the first one goes to the knife, and the other 2 we'll find something else to send them, right, Hiro? It'll be fair.